wiki.ezvid.com. Search EasyBib Wiki before you decide. EasyBib presents the 10 best gummy bear molds. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, you'll have a sweet smorgasbord with the Nostalgia Electric Candy Maker, a one-stop powerhouse featuring bear, worm and fish shapes. You can prepare your gelatin in the unit itself using its heated base and 2 non-stick pots. It disassembles for quick cleanup and includes 1 extra large bear mold. However, it heats up too slowly. At number 9, you won't have to fool around with tiny little snacks when you try the Mr. Gummy DIY Giant. This high-quality extra-large silicone mold makes it possible to create ursine treats as big as your hand, plus it comes with a satisfaction guarantee. The treats have a capacity equal to 1,050 regular bears, and it includes gift bags, but the facial features aren't very defined. Coming in at number 8 on our list, your imagination is the only limit to the types of goodies you can make with the lizber 3-pack, from hard candies to chocolates and beyond. Each little critter will come out detailed with arms, legs and face intact, just waiting to be eaten. It's made from FDA-approved silicone and is very reasonably priced. However, it doesn't include recipes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gummy bear molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, it seems that nearly every kid goes through a dinosaur phase, making the Momma and Me gummysaurus a fun and perhaps essential addition to any kitchen. With each batch, you'll get a total of 80 sweets in as many or as few flavors as you like. It's available in packs of 1 or 2 and features 4 unique species, but it's a bit pricier than comparable items. Moving up our list to number 6. When you choose the Modern Gummy Professional, you get a durable tray that's guaranteed to pass the pinch test, which means that it's constructed from pure silicone that won't warp or stretch out. Each individual mold is just under 1 inch in length. It contains no chemicals or toxins and is backed by a lifetime warranty. However, the results can be difficult to remove. Halfway up our list at number 5. Not only does the Gooch kitchen utensils come with 3 molds for high volume production, it also includes 3 droppers so that everyone can participate in the fun. The trays are heat resistant up to 445 degrees Fahrenheit. It's available in 2 color schemes and safe for the dishwasher. It makes a total of 150 treats. At number 4, the generously sized Bargain Paradise Corp set of 8 eschews traditional bear-shaped candies in favor of robots and building blocks, making it an ideal tool for creating treats for children's parties. To release the molds, all you have to do is give the trays a twist. The colors are bright and fun, and the silicone is odorless. It's great for ice cubes and fondant too. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the freshware variety isn't just for kids. You can make perfectly grown-up madeleines or chocolate hearts with its assortment of molds, which includes circles and yes, bears too. The tray holds its shape even with frequent use, so avid home cooks needn't worry. It doesn't stain easily and is safe for the freezer. It can also be used for soap or candles. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gummy bear molds, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can stop buying sugary and expensive pre-made treats with the My Fruit Shack. It includes molds in the shape of grapes, strawberries, orange slices and apples. There are also 2 handy droppers and 4 drip trays for a no-spill experience. The cavities are deep and the recipe sheet included is laminated. It all comes packaged attractively. And taking the top spot on our list, the Avery Road Homewares creates bears that are a bit larger than standard for more visual impact when displayed in a bowl or wrapped up individually. A bonus recipe PDF is emailed to you after your purchase, so you'll be cooking in no time. You get 35 cavities per tray and a dropper with a 5 milliliter capacity. All the materials are free of BPA. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for gummy bear molds, or simply click beneath this video.